name is Matthew Marango. I'm the Mapping Supervisor for Brandenburg Telephone Company, a local internet service provider based in Brandenburg, Kentucky. I mostly use AutoCAD to draw maps of our poles, cable routes, and customer locations for our engineers and construction crews. I also use Teraflex to gather GPS data. I've even used older Trimble units to go out and actually do field work. I work with eLation Mapkit as well as QGIS and Google Earth. I've been in the mapping department for the last 14 years, and I've been the mapping supervisor since 2025. I've only been involved with KAMP a short period of time. Eric Muncy, who's a great guy, love working with him, informed me that they'd like to have more input from telecommunications and utility, which I'm only happy to provide. I love my job. I like making maps that people use. I like making my part of the world a better place however I can. I like to fix things, solve problems, help people, and just generally improve things. With that in view, with my years of experience, also working in telecom, I can maybe provide a unique perspective. And like I said, I love my job, and I would like to make the GIS field in Kentucky better for everybody that's involved. If I can help us do our jobs, we can help serve the people of this great state even better. So thank you for having me, guys. I'd love to serve however I can.